Welcome to all. In this video we will see about codons and genetic code. Proteins or polypeptides are made up of 20 amino acids, and amino acids are the basic building blocks for the proteins. The 20 amino acids names are listed here, and generally the amino acids are mentioned by their full name or with 3-letter name or with single letter name, and single letter code is commonly called as IUPAC code. And the protein sequences are written based on the single letter code for the each amino acids. And the 20 amino acids, some of the amino acids started with similar alphabet, but they are assigned with different alphabet to denote their names. As an example, alanine, arginine, asparagine, aspartic acid all started with A, but only alanine is assigned for A, and arginine is assigned with R, asparagine assigned with N, and aspartic acid assigned with D. Similarly, the glycine is assigned with G, and remaining similar G started amino acids. Glutamine assigned with Q, glutamic acid assigned with E, and cysteine assigned with C. And the amino acid tryptophan is assigned with the letter W, and tyrosine assigned with the letter Y, and phenylalanine assigned with the letter F. The other amino acids, many of them carrying the first letter of their name as a single letter name. The valine is assigned V, and threonine is assigned T, serine assigned as S, proline assigned as P, and methionine M, and lysine is assigned with different letter K, and leucine is L, isoleucine I, histidine H, aspartic acid D. So likewise, these 20 amino acids are assigned with single letter alphabet. This is called IUPAC code, and these codes are used to write the protein sequences made up of amino acids. The 20 amino acids are generally coded by triplet nucleotides in the mRNA is called as codons. And the coming to look in depth about the amino acid structure, it has a center carbon called alpha carbon. From there, one end we have COOH group called carboxyl group, and another side having NH2 group or amine group. Along and in the alpha group of carbon have another side chain which is interacted with another R group or methyl group. So likewise, based on the variations in the R group and methyl group, the 20 amino acids structure will vary. And the triplet or 3 nucleotide mRNA codes called codons denotes for each amino acids. And next we will see about the definition for genetic code, the collection of base sequences that corresponds to each amino acid and to stop signals for the translation is called genetic code. So in general we have 20 amino acids, right? So if you assume one base pair code for one amino acid, we know the RNA have only 4 bases, uracil, cytosine, adenine and guanine. If one nucleotide code for one amino acid means the RNA can code only 4 amino acids, so we have to exclude. If we consider 2 nucleotides code for one amino acid means probability for two nucleotides to code amino acid means 4 into 4 only 16. So it is also not possible. So we go for 3 nucleotide combinations to code for one amino acids. The probability is 4 power 3 equal to 64 amino acids can be coded. It will be more than 20 amino acids. So triplet codes are used to denote the amino acids, and the genetic code is redundant or degenerate, and each codon may code one amino acid or several codons may designate single amino acids. To understand further, we can write about the 64 codons, and the 3-letter names of the each amino acids are given in this table. To construct this table, you have to make 4 by 4 column. In the left end, you have to write each nucleotide for one column. So here U, next one is C and A and C. Likewise, in the top, all the 4 columns you have to write U, C, here A and here G. Next, in the right side, For each row you have to write all the 4 nucleotides one by one in the each column. So here you have to write for row 1 UCAG, and similarly row 2 UCAG, and row 3 UCAG, and row 4 UCAG. Then we have to write by taking all the combinations. So each cell carries 4 triplet code. The first code is, for example, we take the left nucleotide first, upper one second, and third one we have 4 nucleotides here, we take the top one for first codon, and second one left top, and here second. So likewise we have to construct all the 24 codons by U, second one is U and C, and third one is A, and fourth one is UG. So likewise we have to make and construct all the 64 codons for the amino acids. And once construct, and each amino acid coded by the codons are mentioned here. For example, here phenylalanine is coded by 2 codons UUU and UUC, and leucine is coded by 6 codons UUA, UUG, CUU, CUC, CUA, and CUG. Likewise, isoleucine is coded by 3 codons, and methionine, the start codon, is coded by only 1 codon called AUG. Similarly, another single codon coding for the amino acid is tryptophan, UCG here. And similar to leucine, 6 codons code a single amino acid for the serine here and here 4 and here 2 6. So likewise we can see some of the codons code only one amino acid like methionine and tryptophan, and some of the amino acids coded by 2 codons like phenylalanine and tyrosine, and some amino acids coded by triplet code 3 codons, example is isoleucine here. And similarly some of the amino acids coded by 4 amino acids, example is threonine. And mostly 5 codons, 5 triplet codes are not coding any amino acids, and 6 triplet codes code for the amino acid also. The stop signal also coded by 3 kinds of triplet codes UAA, UAG, and UGA. We will see this in next slide. So hence the genetic code is redundant or degenerate, and the code for one amino acid or several codons designate a single amino acids. Now we will see briefly about the stop codons. So already we saw the AUG codon is the start codon, and stop codons, whenever the ribosome machinery reads the stop codon symbol UAG, UAA, or UGA, it will stop the translation. So these 3 triplets also named as Amber, Ocker, and Opal codons. So UAG is called as Amber, UAA is called as Ocker, and UGA is called as Opal or Amber. The scientists Richard Epstein and Charles Steinberg discovered the UAG stop codon first, and he named it as Amber in remembrance of his friend. And since it denotes a color, later he find 2 more stop codons, and he give the names associated with colors like ochre and opal, etc. The proportion of occurrence of these 3 stop codons are influenced by the genomic GC content. If the GC content of the genome is high, generally the occurrence of UAA stop codon will be less. Similarly, the UGA stop codon will increase. Whereas the third codon UAG is not affected by the genomic content, and usually UAGs exist in less proportion in the genetic code. Thank you.